Hello guys. Okay, so in today's tutorials too, we are given this type of equation to find 3 exponents minus n from this type of equation. It's very easy. So I'll urge you to follow closely and let's solve this together. Right, so basically we are going to apply the laws of indices here. We are applying the laws of indices to make or to solve this type of equation. Right. So in one of the laws of indices that has given a power m plus n, we said is the same as a exponent m times a exponent n, which means if they have the same base and they are multiplying, you have to add the what? Exponent. We apply the same thing here, so we try and work back, which means the 3 exponent 2n plus 3, initially it was in the form of 3 exponent 2n times 3 exponent 3 should be equal to m. Okay, now we are trying to find 3 minus n, so we will try and make the 3 minus n or 3 to the power 2n stand alone. How do we do that? We divide through by 3 exponent 3. Okay, so dividing through by 3 exponent 3, so we will be getting 3 exponent 2n is equal to m over, and 3 exponent 3 is 27. Right. From here, how do we make 3 exponent n the subject? From indices 2, we know that if we have a, m times n is the same as a, m, or what? N. So we can apply the same idea here. So which means 3 exponent 2n can also be written in the form of 3 exponent n all squared is equal to m over 27. Right. So our main motive is to find 3 exponent n, which means we have to get rid of the 2 there. How do we do that? So we will take half on both hand side. That's an exponent of half on both hand side, or square root. So taking half on both hand side, 3 exponent n power 2 times half is equal to, we do the same thing on the right hand side, m over 27 exponent half. Right. So further simplifying, you can see the 2 will cross out these 2 and you'll be left with 3 exponent n, and on our right hand side will be written in the form of m power half over 27 power half. Right. Someone will ask, how do we get 3 exponents minus n from this type of equation? Note, 3 exponents minus n is in an inverse form, which means it can be written in the form of 1 over 3 power n. So which means we have to find 1 over 3n from this equation. This is how we are going to do it. So in an equation, anything you do on one side, you do the same thing on the other side. So I'll try and reverse or reciprocate my left hand side. That's the 3n. I'll reciprocate it, and remember, you will do the same thing on the right hand side. So reciprocating the left hand side, 1 over 3n, I will do the same thing here. So it's 27 power half is equal to m power half. Right. So 1 over 3n is the same as 3 minus n. 3 minus n is therefore equal to, and finally we are getting 27 over m all over half as our final answer. I'll urge you to subscribe or follow me so that whenever I post any video, you can get updated with it. Bye bye.